Hello everyone, here are 10 ways to make money in a poor economy. Welcome to our channel, The Enchanted Luxury Studio, where we talk about wealth and luxury. The global economy is not getting any better. Despite the series of worldwide dilemmas that have happened throughout these past 3 years, the prevalence of global inflation is something none of us has anticipated. Making money is already a struggle for most people, and the worsening economy does not help at all. These days, the game of making money is becoming harder and harder to play, leaving people more anxious than ever about their finances. Well, who wouldn't be? Seeing your expenses rising while the value of your income remains the same is not something you should be happy about. It is easy to think that soon enough you're gonna end up broke. However, by watching this video, you might actually prevent that possibility from happening. Here is how you can make money in a poor economy. Number 1. Turn yourself into a walking billboard. It may seem like we're joking, but with all seriousness, we're not. These days, most mainstream companies are venturing out into digital marketing as they take into account the massive reach of this medium. However, direct modes of marketing remain relevant for some. The traditional way of doing so is by renting a car and using it as a traveling billboard. That, my friend, is an opportunity you should be grabbing by now. Go ahead and reach out to several companies near you and offer them the service of being their walking billboard. That way, you can keep your car instead of selling it to make money. That and the fact that this job opportunity would require a little effort from you. So, get the job done and earn yourself some money. Number 2, become a virtual assistant. Busy people don't really have much time to do everything that they would often need help with, especially when it comes to plotting their schedule. Meanwhile, there are tons of people in this world who are pretty good at being organized and have the potential to be someone's virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is basically a modern-day secretary wherein a person is tasked to line up a meeting schedule of their client, send emails, and run some errands. Being a virtual assistant will not require you to be in the same country as your client. From the training phase to your official first day on the job, everything will be held online, making it a quick and easy way to make money despite the poor economy. Number 3, freelance your day job skills. Making the most out of your day job is another way to survive a bad economy. Regardless of what you do for a living, may it be in the baccalaureate or vocational field, you can make money from it in a certain set of hours. However, the skills and experience you've been developing along the way are your best advantage. Consider using those merits to take up extra gigs on a freelance basis. That way, you will be able to gain extra earnings on the side while still doing the exact same thing you do in your day job. This is a perfect opportunity for people who work for companies that do not offer overtime. Posting your skills on various local freelancing websites could be an effective way to do this. Putting up signs on community billboards to make your business known to the public is another. Regardless of how you do it, the point is to make some extra money while doing the same thing you already do every day. Number 4, be an online writer. One of the major changes that the world had to face is the birth and growth of the online world. While most people are getting by in the physical world, the online dimension is undeniably massive and worth venturing into. And if you are a good writer, you are very much needed because not all of us are good at turning our thoughts into words. People on the internet hire people to do the work for them, and this is where you come in. Start searching for various writing platforms and sign up so you can get yourself hired to write online. What makes this job even better is that you can work for anyone from any part of the world. May it be at home, at a nearby coffee shop, at the library across the street, it does not matter. The point is that you are working at your own pace and comfort. If you have a knack for writing, this is something you need to consider. Number 5, find a sideline. When facing a bad economy, having one job might no longer be enough to sustain yourself and your family's need. And the best way to resolve that is to pick up another job. Back in the day, this meant you actually had to get out there and get another physically taxing job. While you earn more money from it, it also required lots of extra physical effort, which is less sustainable over time. Today, picking up another job seems a lot easier, all thanks to the internet. You can find a job anywhere in the world and get it done from home. If you are good at a particular academic course, you could tutor someone online and get paid for every hour. If you are social media savvy, you can apply as a social media manager of a thriving online business. The great thing about having a remote job is that it allows you to work without having to move from one place to another and without putting in much physical effort. So if you want to make it in a poor economy, browse the internet and hunt for a sideline job. Go ahead and get your favorite beverage and popcorn, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. Number 6. Set up a rental room. An extra room in your house can put extra money in your pocket. Setting up a rental room is another great option to consider if you want to survive a bad economy. Many people love traveling around, whether for holiday vacations or business purposes. Either way, they would need a place to stay. In the past, it would take thousands to millions of dollars to set up a guest house that would maybe someday bring in a profit. Today, that vacant room of yours can easily be an instant money-making machine. All it takes is a few clicks online. You can sign up on various websites for vacation rentals or simply list your room for rent anywhere online. Number 7. Teach what you know. One of the best ways to make money in a bad economy is by teaching others how to be good at something you are good at. Do some tutorials, whether in person or online, and get paid for it. The lessons could be as simple as putting makeup on, cooking certain dishes, contemporary dancing, or any form of art. It can also be used to solve various mathematical equations. There are endless opportunities out there as long as your skills and knowledge are worth paying for. When you teach what you know, you will not only help others to learn something new, but you will also be able to make money regardless of how the economy is doing. Number 8. Make money by selling used goods. Despite the falling sales in the car market these days, the used car market continues to thrive regardless of where you are. It is entirely possible for you to earn money by selling used cars at one of the upscale car showrooms near you. Buying a used car that isn't too expensive and needs a little bit of work, repairing it, and selling it for more money is all you need to do. It is likely that you will make a lot more money from the restored version. The concept is not limited to cars, of course. You can do the same with shoes, bags, phones, pretty much anything at all. Regardless of how the economy is doing, you can make money by buying cheap and selling for a profit. Number 9. Set up an online garage sale. You can never go wrong with setting up a garage sale. Making money from stuff you're no longer using is something you should never pass on. Start by cleaning up your closet and sorting your storage room. Look for things that are still usable but you don't use anymore. Put it on sale and you would be surprised how many people actually want it more than you do. Now, if you don't prefer doing things the traditional way and a usual garage sale isn't your style, you can do it virtually. There are a number of apps you can use to get rid of and make money off your old stuff. Or just do it simply by posting your things on your personal social media accounts. There is no better way to turn that dusted stuff into money than selling them. That way, you can make money despite the poor economy. Number 10. Deliver people's food. It is a daily necessity for people to eat meals. Eating is a must, and so is ordering food. What does that have to do with me, you might ask? Well, in order for the food to actually make it to the people who ordered it, someone needs to get it there, and that someone can be you. With platforms like Uber, you can easily sign up to deliver people's food. This will enable you to hand people their meals and earn money while you do it. In this case, there's no need for you to quit your main job and work long hours in a day. You can simply make decent cash by picking up a few hours here and there. There it goes, 10 ways to make money in a bad economy. Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.